My name is Andy, and I have a mobile RV repair service, and I came to this course because I do a lot of home repairs on my own for my family, and this course really helped me out to really understand how to make the old-fashioned boards off cement, and it was very informative. And I really came here really not knowing much about it, but I'm leaving here with a lot of knowledge that I know that I can use. And now I'm even thinking about maybe starting my own business in this field, because this really opened my eyes to the possibilities of what I could do. I'm very creative with wood. Now I can incorporate concrete in that process. But I'm really grateful to the staff. They were very friendly and easy to understand, and I really appreciate the time that I came here.